Do you crave adventure? Do you seek thrills in the great outdoors? Whether you're a hardcore backpacker or a weekend warrior, I've got the latest gear to take your expeditions to the next level. Get ready to ignite your passions and elevate your camping game as we showcase the most innovative, must-have products to make every outdoor trip full of fun and excitement. When it comes to portable refrigerators for camping and road trips, ICECO stands out with its VL60 dual-zone model. This fridge allows independent temperature control of the freezer and refrigerator compartments. You can set them to any combo of freezing, cooling, or even turn one off to save energy. With its C-COP compressor, the VL60 can cool down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your food and drinks stay chilled in any weather. It runs on both DC and AC power, so it works in your car or plugged in at home. The smart height design fits under a truck's tonneau cover. The BioLite CampStove 2 Plus lets you cook with sticks and pine cones instead of carrying heavy propane canisters. Its patented combustion system generates smokeless flames to heat meals and boil water. You can even charge phones and lamps via the built-in USB charger that stores power in the 3D 200 mAh battery. The scalloped pot stand holds pans stable above the adjustable flames. BioLite claims the CampStove 2 Plus boils a liter of water in just 4.5 minutes, and it all packs down to the size of a 32 oz water bottle. Don't waste money on disposable utensils. The Muncher from Full Windsor is reusable cutlery made completely from titanium. At just 0.8 Oz, it conveniently fits in any pack or bag. This sturdy spork includes a knife, peeler, bottle opener, can opener, and more eating accessories. Carry the Muncher while hiking or camping and you'll always have durable dining tools on hand. It comes in a handy recycled polyester pouch. Now for waterproof storage on outdoor excursions, the Evergreen 56 box keeps your essentials safe. Its 3-step locking system makes it fully watertight and secure. The tough polycarbonate can survive tumbles down a hillside or into the lake. Use it to organize gear for camping, hiking, kayaking, and more adventures. The Evergreen 56 fits perfectly in any backpack. The Xergur camp tripod board lets you turn sticks and branches into a convenient campsite grill. Just attach this stainless steel plate to a tripod structure made of natural materials from around your campsite. You can adjust the height as needed by sliding the chain links. It makes outdoor cooking and grilling a breeze, and it packs down small in your backpack when not in use. Hot drinks taste better from titanium. Stay hydrated on the go with Valtcan's military-grade titanium canteen set. It includes a 1100 ml canteen with secure cap and 2 stackable cups in 750 ml and 400 ml sizes. Everything packs neatly into the included MOLLE carrying case. Durable titanium construction keeps the full set ultra-lightweight at just 14 Oz total. Fill up the canteen from fresh water sources and drink cleanly using the cups, or cook out its pure contents from the uncoated titanium cups. No metallic taste, a reliable hydration system for hiking, camping, travel, and more. Chopping firewood is easier with Suprock's 24-in-1 survival shovel. Its carbon steel head and stainless steel components make this a rugged, heavy-duty tool. A combination of axe plus knife plus saw is climber's best friend. The pick-shaped cutter end has a notch to remove staples, then transitions into a hybrid climbing axe plus hammer head with steel pommel guard. Unfold the integrated locking saw arm with dual-sided blade, having both wood and metal teeth. With a fully extended length of over 3 feet, you can take on tough outdoor tasks. And it compacts down to fit inside the included carry case. Light up the night with the FlashTorch handheld Searchlight. This compact flashlight packs a punch with an intense white light. The FlashTorch achieves a 10x power increase over most flashlight bulbs by utilizing a xenon short arc lamp inside its IPX4 water-resistant polycarbonate lens bezel. Its focused beam can stretch over 1,000 feet to illuminate objects or tilt to flood outskirts in bright white light. Its aircraft-grade aluminum body is tough enough for outdoor use. Choose from 3 brightness modes to get just the right amount of light. The FlashTorch runs on a rechargeable lithium battery that powers up its halogen bulb for 2,000 hours of use per charge. Don't get caught in the dark wilderness without this essential piece of gear. Easily start campfires with the Procamptek fire strip roll. This 6-inch wide roll of waxy paper works perfectly with ferro rods and standard lighters. Simply tear off a section of the fire strip roll and work it between your fingers to fluff the material. The wax coating helps ignite the paper fibers to create a flame. It's a foolproof fire starter for camping, survival kits, or emergency packs. Be prepared for storms with the GoTime Gear Life Tent. This emergency shelter fits 2 people and reflects 90% of body heat to keep you warm and dry. The tear-resistant PET film stands up to wind and rain. Weighing just 8.7 oz, it stuffs down small to pack in any survival bag or backpack. Setup is fast by wrapping it directly around your cores during harsh weather when no shelter is available. The interior condenses exhaled moisture to sustain you longer too. Underneath, it has a waterproof PE floor to block ground moisture if sitting. The tear-proof polyethylene is also wind and snow-proof unlike space blankets. Includes paracord, sharing clips, and rescue whistle. Stay safe in harsh conditions with the GoTime Gear Life Tent. When you need the functionality of a full survival kit scaled down to fit inside your wallet, there's the tiny survival card by Survival Hacks. Precision machined in USA from stainless steel sheets. It packs 10 fold tools into a standard credit card outline, equally viable for urban EDC or wilderness emergencies. It contains 21 components including a razor folding knife, dual saw blades, fishing tackle, a bit driver, bottle opener, tinder scraper, and more that unfold and lock for serious use. You can even use included ferro flint to start fires. Rely on them for everyday needs at home. Made in the USA, this clever credit card tool could save your life. Waterproof your fire starting by packing Lafagiet's refillable plasma lighter, delivering a windproof electric arc flame anywhere it's needed. This USB rechargeable torch lighter is sealed inside a buoyant silicone rubber housing, safe from immersion. An integrated hand strap attaches for portability. The Lafagiet Arc Lighter ignites with an electric arc and generates no liquid fuel smell. Perfect for camping, hiking, survival kits, and home use. Never get caught without a way to make fire. Cook like a pro on any campout with the Adventure Chef knife and utensil set from Messermeister. It includes 2 folding knives, a folding steak knife, fork and spoon, plus a peeler tool. The ergonomic handles and tough German steel blades equip you for culinary excellence outdoors. All the pieces neatly pack into the included waxed canvas carry case. Elevate your camping cuisine with this compact cutlery set. Motorbike campers rejoice over the Wolfwalker heavyweight motorcycle tent, an all-in-one shelter integrating lockable bike garage. Their extra-wide design allows riders to stash bikes securely while sleeping 2 adults upstairs in a 68 cubic foot sleeping area. Durable coated poly ripstop fabric and immense rainfly withstand harsh weather and winds. For setup, just remove from rear bike carrier, deploy fiberglass poles, then climb interior ladder into the expandable second floor loft to relax. Windows and doors provide ample ventilation without insects. Truly long-distance comfort ready to escape at any scenic vista. Matador builds the ultimate lightweight blanket for picnic adventures. Their stellar pocket blanket packs ultra-small, yet unfurls large. Using advanced RDS ripstop fabric technology to achieve durability and water resistance, it weighs just 5 ounces, but expands to a 63-44 lounging space wherever excursions take you, keeping grass and moisture off while staying put via 4 integrated corner anchor loops and pockets to hold sand, dirt. When done, it shakes debris off, then compresses neatly into its attached zippered pouch, smaller than an iPhone 11 to stash anywhere until your next spontaneous trailside lunch or stargazing platform unrolls for comfortable relaxation. The cutting-edge Jetboil Genesis Base Camp Stove delivers gourmet camp cuisine by merging high-performance boiling with complete cooking versatility. At its core lies an advanced burner system shooting robust flame from unique propane regulators. Output adjustment lets you precisely simmer entrees or blast intense heat that boils over a liter of water in just 3 minutes flat. But unlike Jetboil's specialized models, Genesis matches with their complete cookware expansion lineup from fry pans to 2.5-liter stock pots. Prep a 4-course dinner on compact lightweight appliances, while their specialized pot stabilizers, insulation, and wind guards contain heat. Folding legs allow ultra-compact storage. An attachable windscreen and compact folding design make Genesis ideal for multi-day adventures. Light up your entire campsite with the versatile Helix lantern from Princeton Tech. Its collapsible design adjusts to throw 360 degrees of light wherever you need it. Max bright and ultra bright LEDs join forces to illuminate both close and far range. The dimmable settings let you conserve battery life. Its 8 adjustable brightness modes stretch battery life over 175 hours on low, while 4 LED colors let you preserve night vision or incorporate festive lighting. With an IPX4 water resistance rating, the Helix lantern can withstand rain and splashes, the ideal lighting companion for backpackers, hikers, hunters, and more. No more questionable water sources with Membrane Solutions' squeezable 0.01 micron microfilter straw, removing bacteria and cysts for safe drinking anywhere hikers roam. Lightweight yet robust, it screws onto most containers from pouches to bottles, using hollow fiber membranes that scrub virtually 100% of viruses and impurities without chemicals. Its ergonomic mouthpiece makes hydrating easy, while integrated squeeze bulbs let you drink straight from streams then eject unclean remnants. High flow rate filters 1.25 liters per minute. Sipping stays smooth for travel, outdoors, and emergency preparedness. Relax in comfort at the end of a long hike with the ATEPA Ultralight camping chair. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, it supports up to 330 pounds. Large detachable feet provide stability on any terrain, and setup takes 10 seconds thanks to the connected shock cord structure. Breathable fabric keeps you cool. Side pockets and cup holder add convenience. Carry the compressed ATEPA chair easily in your backpack and enjoy restful camping. Prepare yourself for any outdoor adventure with the upgraded Jääkäri M Backpack, engineered for special forces. Its slim profile and PALS webbing provide customizable load options, making it ideal for navigating tight trails. Constructed with highly durable materials tested to military standards, this pack is exceptionally rugged, ensuring durability in challenging environments. The shoulder and hip belts feature thick, supportive cushioning, prioritizing comfort on this compact yet robust bag. The spacious main storage and multiple exterior pouches keep essentials both secure and easily accessible. Designed for high-volume load-bearing without the packing struggle, the thickly padded shoulders, hip belt, and lumbar backrest provide comfort when carrying heavy expedition-size cargo, which can be securely held in place by side compression straps. Whether navigating tight trails or carrying expedition-size loads, these backpacks offer durability, comfort, and versatility for any outdoor expedition. There you have it. The latest must-have gear to conquer the outdoors in comfort and style. Get out there and have an epic adventure. From fire starters and filtration straws to tents and titanium cook sets, these products have all the gear you need for an epic outdoor getaway. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our newest product reviews and demos. The wilderness awaits, so get equipped and get going. Thanks for watching.